Got my boots in the red clay, they're riding on the back of these wheels. Pine straw sticking to the treads feels better than chrome and steel. Kudzu hanging like curtains, creek talk low down the hill. Every bump in this Georgia dirt remind me I got a will. I'm red clay rolling, leaning in the turns, kicking up dust while the daylight burns. Thought I'd lost my way, but the trail said come. Now I'm flying where the wild bees on. Yeah, this chair's my horse and I ain't slowing down. I'm red clay rolling through this Georgia ground. Used to watch from the gravel while my buddies chase that ridge. Now I'm climbing past the dogwoods, crossing every wooden bridge. Sweat salt on my collar, sun freckles on my hand. I used to feel fenced in, now I'm part of this land. I'm red clay rolling, leaning in the turns, kicking up dust while the daylight burns. Thought I'd lost my way, but the trail said come. Now I'm flying where the wild bees hum. Yeah, this chair's my horse and I ain't slowing down. I'm red clay rolling through this Georgia ground. Let the city keep its sidewalks, I got roots to ride instead.